Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on this screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. There is a 3 20-feet containers here. Total area I have taken is width is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. The size of this area is 23 feet 4 inches into 10 feet 6 inches in meter 7.11 into 3.20 meter. You can see here the sofa cum bed and a chair and also a tea table, and we have dining counter here with 3 chairs, and also on the right side we have kitchen counter. You can see here the burner, sink and also a refrigerator arrangement. We have large size window for ventilation of this kitchen, and also you can see here the large size windows on the front wall for light and ventilation purpose. After that we'll go inside. So we have 2 rooms here. The size of the room number 1 is 8 feet into 8 feet 6 inches in meter 2.43 into 2.59 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and a TV unit arrangement, and also large size window for ventilation of this room. And we have bedroom number 2 here. The size of this bedroom is 8 feet into 8 feet 6 inches in meter 2.43 into 2.59 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit arrangement and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. The size of the washroom is 6 feet 8 inches into 4 feet in meter 2.03 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and also shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go outside. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 6 feet 8 inches into 4 feet 2 inches in meter 2.03 into 1.27 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.